Alright you guys, so before we start off this video, thank you guys for tuning in. I greatly appreciate those who reached out on my birthday and greeted me as far as on Instagram. Whatever the case is, I do show you guys a couple of birthday pickups and a crazy unboxing once again in this video. So if you guys are tuning in, please get this video up to 40 likes and maybe 15 comments. I do appreciate you guys for all the love. If you guys aren't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Go ahead and enjoy this crazy unboxing as far as, you know, some nice stuff from pop-up shops, whatever the case is. I'll catch you guys in the next clip. You guys have a good day. Peace. Enjoy the video. Yo, what is Gucci everybody on YouTube? Thank you guys for tuning in back to another video on this channel, and this video is going to be a nice little unboxing for you guys. Once again, we are coming in with the packages, coming through with all the pickups and stuff like that. I also wanted to share a couple of the birthday pickups or birthday presents that I got. I wanted to share that with you guys, so whoever took the time out of their day to greet me on Instagram, whatever the case was, I appreciate you guys for greeting me happy birthday. It was April 22nd, so it did kind of pass, but thank you guys for all the birthday love. If you guys haven't checked out the Instagram post, go ahead and do so as well. Yeah, so let's just hop into the video. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Sit back, relax, and let's just get into it. So usually every year I try to purchase something for myself, but I guess last year I didn't do it, and then the year before I believe I bought myself the Sean Weatherspoons. I still own these. I really like these a lot. I still have them in the collection, but this year I wasn't able to really purchase anything just because your boy's unemployed. I'm going through everything like everyone else is doing, but my girlfriend did come through with one of the most nicest shoes I've ever gotten. I really love this shoe a lot. I actually really like it on feet. If you guys do follow me on Instagram, you guys probably saw what she got me, but she bought me the Syracuse Dunks that came out recently, and these things are just beautiful. I love these a lot. I do plan on putting the white laces in them, but here I am just sharing them with you guys. I did pick these up, so shout out to my beautiful girlfriend for these. I believe this would be a part of the top 10 of 2020? Did these come out in 2020? 2019? 2020? Sorry, I just had to make sure. But I really do love these a lot, and I feel like this shoe is probably gonna be in my top 10 in 2020 as far as shoes that came out. I really like these. I do plan on picking up the Kentucky Dunks. I did say that in a video, but like I said, money is short right now. Not the best with money just because of what's going on with the coronavirus. She also got me the Hypervolt Plus, which is crazy just because I asked for the regular one and she got me the Plus version. Yeah, so she got me the Hypervolt Plus. I'm not too sure what the difference is between the regular one and this one other than the color, and that this one is more silent. So shout out to my girlfriend for the beautiful gifts. If you guys don't know what this is, it's pretty much a massage gun. I really needed this in the basketball season because I would always come out with lower back problems, and then my legs would hurt obviously because I play basketball from time to time, but I haven't really been doing such. I'm just gonna show you guys. You guys turn it on, the battery is full, and then you turn it on and then it gives you a nice little massage. You can place it on your arms, your back, whatever the case is. These things are pretty pricey, so I'm very blessed to have this as a birthday gift. So shout out to my girlfriend once again. So with this unboxing, mainly everything in this unboxing is going to be up on the web store on April 28th. I'm gonna say at 10 a.m. If you guys are interested in purchasing anything, go ahead and check out the web store, April 28th, 10 a.m. You guys can go ahead and follow the Instagram as well for more updates. And yeah, let's just hop into it. So the first bag, a nice little bag. This one I believe I purchased for $15, which is kind of crazy because I used to have the t-shirt of this hoodie that I got. Here it is, the Nike Undefeated hoodie. It's just a regular Nike hoodie, but they printed on the Undefeated logo on it. This is super clean. Honestly, this feels brand new and it doesn't even feel worn. I don't know, this is kind of crazy. So there you guys go, just a nice little logo on the front. And then you have 1985 on the back. If you guys rocked with me way back when, I had the t-shirt version of this, so I'm pretty happy to get the hoodie version just because I did sell the t-shirt a while back. So yeah, there you guys go. Undefeated Nike hoodie. I believe I got this for like $15, a part of the bundle. So yeah. So with the next two boxes, I believe I paid $120 for both of these each. So that's $240 for both of these boxes that I'm about to show you guys. Here's the second box. There's only 2 items in this one. I remember which one it is. But if you guys remember the last video, you guys killed it on the orders with the 808 and Heartbreak t-shirts. I sold both of them. So shout out to those who purchased those items. I believe I put them up for like 50 bucks or 60 bucks for the t-shirt and then 75 for the long sleeve. This one's gonna be a little more pricier just because it is I'll show you guys in a bit. It is a hoodie version of that. This one is brand new, never worn, and it does come with the pamphlet. So it comes in a nice bag. But here it is the 808 and Heartbreak pamphlet and from the Hollywood little show, I believe. So this is super clean, nice condition. It is the, you know, lyrics to each song that is on 808 and Heartbreak. So there is that nice little piece of art you guys can use. But here is the hoodie. It is printed on a Gildan tee, but it's the Kanye West 808 Heartbreak Hollywood Bowl 2015. So this is brand new. Never used before. I trust the seller as far as them saying it's brand new. It does smell brand new actually, which is kind of weird and crazy, but yeah, so here you guys go, the nice little hoodie version of it. This is a size large. This will for sure be up on the web store if you guys are interested in it. But yeah, so nice little pickup. There you guys go. I will put it up with the pamphlet if you guys are interested in it. So that's a nice little, you know, duo combination, whatever the case is. And then this second one in this bag, this one was new with tag, but I got an ACG jacket for myself. I guess you can consider this my birthday present to myself. But here it is, a size large ACG jacket. This retailed for $150, I believe, and I was able to talk down the seller to $75, which is nice. As you guys can see, it says standard fit with the tag, and then you have the ACG tag right here. So the retail was $150. But yeah, so super nice jacket. I bought this just because I sold my rain jacket on my web store and I needed a new one. And I thought this one was a nice jacket to have as far as wearing it when it does rain in Las Vegas, which is rare. But yeah, so there you guys go. Nice little pickup for myself. ACG jacket has hints of green, purple. Yeah, I really like this one a lot. So fuck with me. I don't know. That was really awkward, but hey. Alright, so trying on the ACG jacket, the large was a little big for me, but I'm not gonna lie, I can work with it. I wish I was a medium, or it was a medium, but the large is not too bad. I'm just gonna use this for the rainy days, stuff like that. A nice little jacket to have. But moving on to the last box, there's 6 items in here. All of these items are going to be up on the web store. So with the first box, it's just gonna be the 808 and Heartbreaks hoodie. And then this box, everything in this one is going to be on the web store. So go ahead and check out the web store. April 28th at 10 a.m. if you guys are interested in purchasing any of these items. Obviously, I'm going to shameless plug my web store just because your boy is trying to make some money. So whoever's been supporting me on there, I appreciate you guys so much. It does mean a lot to me. So yeah, moving on to the last box. This box is the biggest one, and everything is nicely wrapped, which I do appreciate because your boy does so the same thing himself. So here you guys go. Here it is, the big box. Everything is put into plastic. So thanks for always supporting Brandon. We'll post new gear soon. Thanks again. Your boy's gonna cop new gear for Beef Flake Supply, it looks like. So I'm not gonna tell you guys who the seller is. I'm gonna be stingy. You guys can check out the web store if you guys are interested in it. But yeah, so first 2 pickups. Levi's jackets, nice little denim jackets. One is a darker wash, one is a lighter wash. If this lighter wash one doesn't fit me, it will be up on the web store, but we'll see. But this one is for sure gonna be up there. I'll put the pins and stuff in it as well. So the seller added pins with this one. So here it is, size large, nice little Levi's washed denim jacket. It comes with a Stussy Wolverine pin, a boot pin, and a nice little, you know, flower pin if you guys are feeling like a flower boy. Shout out to Tyler, the creator. But here you guys go, size large on the Levi's denim jackets. And then this one is the lighter wash, which was the one I'm interested in. So trying this on, I do like how it looks, but I'm a little skeptical about it. So let me know what you guys feel about this, if I should keep it or just throw it on the web store. Let me know if your boy can rock this one. I'm not too sure. I like it a lot. But the darker denim one will be up on the web store for sure. So if you guys are interested in that, like I said, it will be up on there. I need to stop saying that and plugging my web store. But yeah, so there you guys go. Here is the denim pickups, the denim jacket Levi pickups. And then last but not least, I have this one, which comes with, I believe, 4 items in this one bag. So we'll go ahead and show you guys the Stussy varsity jacket. This one's kind of nice. So here's the Stussy varsity jacket, very clean. It's like lined on the inside, which is kind of crazy because I feel like if I were to try this on, I might end up keeping it for myself. which I might try on right now, but we'll see. So here it is. You have Stussy embroidered on the front, and then you have the big S, and then you have the nice little striped cuff link or cuffing on the sleeve. But yeah, so there you guys go. There's that. I believe I paid, like I said, $120 for this whole box. And then we still have 3 more items to show you guys, which I believe none of these were released, so I'm not too sure what I want to price these at. And feeling these, they are actually in very good quality. I thought looking at these that they would be bad quality, but hey. All right, so you guys can correct me if I'm wrong on any of these items, but the next 3 items I don't know anything about. I tried to do some research on it, but as far as what I know is that Devon Troy is a artist and he collaborated with Undefeated, and they had a nice little shock drop on La Brea. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's the only thing I really know about these jerseys. But they are super clean, and they have really nice quality as far as the jerseys being really nice. But I have 3 jerseys here. All of them have the same print. They're all just different colors. So I have a black one. This one's the black one with the yellow writing. As you guys can see, it has the yellow Undefeated logo, and then I believe this is Devon Troy's logo. And then number 23, maybe it has to do with something with LeBron coming to LA a little while back. But the tag literally just says size large, nothing like Undefeated wise. But I know these aren't fake just because I feel like the seller did work at Undefeated, but I'm not too sure. I don't know this person personally, but there you guys go. Devon Troy Undefeated collaboration jerseys. I have it in black and yellow. I have it in yellow and purple. As you guys can see, nice little Laker colors. But the quality on these, they're super thick and super nice, which is kind of shocking to me. But yeah, so there you guys go. This one's nice. And this one is probably honestly my favorite one. The purple and yellow one. 23 on the front and back. And then you have these same logos, the Undefeated logo and the nice little circle logo. I'm not too sure what this is, but yeah, so there you guys go. There are the pictures. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, hit the thumbs up button for me. It goes a long way. Let's try and get this video up to 40 likes and 15 comments. And like I said, if you guys want to go ahead and shop with me, bflakessupply.com. You guys can check out the web store. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, all that good stuff. Links to everything will be down below. Yeah, so thank you guys so much. I appreciate the love. I'll catch you guys in the next video. You guys have a good one. Peace. Alright, you guys, to end this one off, I'm not going to be holding the camera, moving it and stuff, but if you guys are watching to the end of this video, I do greatly appreciate you guys for all the love you guys have shown, and for the loyal ones who actually stick to the end of the video. So if you guys are watching, go ahead and comment pop up on this video. Drop a comment down below saying pop up. I only say that just because I guess these jerseys dropped as far as a pop-up shop with Devon Troy and Undefeated, so that's what happened at La Brea. But yeah, so there you guys go. Nice little jerseys. If you guys watched to the end, I greatly appreciate you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video. You guys have a good one. Stay safe out there. Stay clean. Peace.